Hey guys, I am about to unbox my package from Pro Wrestling Tees. It's a pretty big package, guys. I can't wait to show you guys. Can't just show you guys. This is a pretty big package for me. I pre-ordered 2 more things. I think they're coming sometime spring. It's oh my gosh, MJF's shirt, I Am Better Than You, the nice shirt, button shirt up, and Dan Housen's microbar. Wait, no way. This box is gonna be fun to open. Guys, woohoo! What should I show first? You know what? T-shirt. I'll go with one. If Matt Cardona wins, we riot T-shirt. I do like Matt Cardona. He's a cool wrestler. I like him. That's one of the shirts I got. I like it. I'm going to show you the last one. My favorite shirt last. Anna J will choke you out, Clean Slayer. Yes, she's awesome. I like Anna J. I like the shirt. Got the Acclaim hat. Scissor me! That's a cool hat. Like it. And my other hat. The Bullet Club. Let me put this on. Let me try this on. I'm going to try the Acclaim on too. Bullet Club for life. I am wearing the Acclaim hat right now. I'll put this on too. The Acclaim. Scissor me! And I got 3 mystery DVDs. Overstock grab bag. I don't know what I got, guys. I got this one. Ooh. I got this one. Matt Travis, and This Is My Kingdom. Disc 1. I'm going to give you a couple right now. Disc 1, Matt Travis for Mike Mondo, sorry. That's disc 1. Disc 2 is, there's so many. Hope you guys can see it. Can you see it? If you guys want to hit pause, go ahead and read the back. And the Road Warriors in Japan. Oh, this is going to be a good one. Sorry. And High Spots Wrestling Network presents Before the Big Leagues Tag Team Edition. Okay, Best Friends, Matt Striker versus Tom Dreamer, Colt Cabana, and Mike Crackerbush. It was a tag team. And the last shirt came to show you guys is I love to scissor. The Acclaims, I love to scissor. Yes. Everybody loves the Acclaim. That is it until I get my MJF button-up shirt and my Danhausen microbrawler. That was on pre-order, and till I get them, I will show those guys too. Since I already have this one, yeah, I'll put this on my eBay account. Alright? Peace out, guys. Have fun. Take care.